Hello everyone and welcome to Veganise Anything. Today we'll be making fried tofu puffs with spicy mayonnaise. If you like food that has a bit of a kick, this is the perfect choice for you. Let's get the ball rolling. Here we have all the main ingredients we will be using today. Make sure you have them all ready, so don't forget to fry the tofu, and let's go do it. Start by adding 3/4 of a cup vegan mayonnaise into a mixing bowl. Add 4 tablespoons chili paste and combine both well together. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Half a teaspoon black pepper, and mix all together. Now add 1.5 tablespoon vegan honey. There is a recipe in the top right corner as well as in the description box below. Alternatively, you can use your own favorite sweetener, like maple syrup for example, and mix it properly together. After that, add 1 teaspoon rice vinegar and mix again. Now it's time to add your fried tofu puffs, roughly about 500 grams, or just over a pound. Combine the tofu together with our spicy mayonnaise until it's all evenly coated. Now add about 4 sprigs of sliced spring onions. Mix again and go get a serving bowl. We are done. Nice, quick and easy. Didn't hurt, did it? You can serve it pretty much with anything, but rice would probably be the best choice. Now, toss some more fresh spring onions and a bit of parsley on your tofu as garnish. Don't forget to sprinkle some sesame seeds as well. Get a fork and dig in. And that's the end of today's cooking story, the story of fried tofu puffs with spicy mayonnaise. It was quick and easy. Let us know how you liked yours down in the comments below. If you did, please like, subscribe and share this video with all around you. And as always, don't forget, you can veganize anything. Thank you for watching and see you next week.